What's up, Mavericks? If you run a business, I'm willing to bet someone, either your accountant, maybe your business partner, or even that one friend who knows this stuff, has told you that you need QuickBooks. But here's the thing, nobody actually explained why. QuickBooks Online is one of the most popular accounting platforms in the world, but popular doesn't automatically mean it's the right choice for your business. So today I'm cutting through the hype to break down what QuickBooks Online actually does, who genuinely benefits from using it, and just as importantly, when it's not the right choice for you. So let's dive right in. All right, starting with the basics, QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software designed specifically for small and growing businesses. It handles all the fun stuff like income tracking, expense tracking, invoicing, financial reports, and tax prep. But the best part is you can use it without downloading clunky software or chaining yourself to one computer like it's 2003. With QuickBooks Online, you can log in from your laptop, your phone, your accountant's office, pretty much anywhere, and everything stays synced. Your accountant can even jump into your books without you having to email spreadsheets back and forth. Now, if you're wondering if there's a QuickBooks desktop version, QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise still does exist. Some longtime users still swear by it, but others have moved on without looking back. And QuickBooks Online is totally different. It's cleaner, more visual, way more intuitive, and it's the version most modern businesses actually use today. At its core, QuickBooks Online shows you where your money's going. On the income side, you can create and send professional invoices, accept online payments, and automate recurring billing for clients who you pay monthly. You can even send estimates and convert them straight into invoices once you get the green light. On the expense side, QuickBooks connects directly to your bank accounts and credit cards, pulls in your transactions automatically, and categorizes them for you. You can snap photos of receipts, track bills, and actually see what you owe versus what's already been paid. QuickBooks also handles sales tax tracking, which is a big deal if you sell taxable products or services. It can calculate sales tax automatically based on your location, track what you owe, and help you prep sales tax reports when it's time to file. This alone is a big reason accountants push businesses towards QuickBooks instead of simpler invoicing tools. It all comes down to this: instead of guessing where you stand financially, you can actually see it in real time. Once your business gets more complex, QuickBooks grows with you, and here's where it really starts to show off. QuickBooks Online lets you track projects and job profitability, and if you run a service business, this is huge because you'll finally know which clients are actually making you money. There's time tracking for hourly work. Then there's inventory tracking if you sell products, and don't overlook its detailed financial reports that go way beyond just profit and loss. Depending on your plan, you get access to dozens of reports that help you spot trends, prep for tax season without panicking, or pull together clean financials when you're talking to a lender or investor. You can also control who sees and does what inside your account, so your accountant, bookkeeper, or team members can log in with their own access levels instead of sharing one master login. And QuickBooks plays nice with hundreds of other apps, so your accounting doesn't have to live in a silo. It connects to your CRM, your e-commerce platform, or whatever software and apps you're already using. QuickBooks Online isn't just accounting software, it's basically the hub of an entire ecosystem. You can add payroll and pay employees and contractors directly inside QuickBooks. There's also QuickBooks Live, which connects you with actual professional bookkeepers if you want someone to help manage your books instead of going the DIY route. QuickBooks even offers built-in business banking, lending options, and a whole suite of tools designed to keep everything under one roof instead of using 5 different platforms. But while this is convenient, costs can add up fast, so just keep in mind depending on how many add-ons you actually need. Now, while we're on the subject of costs, let's talk pricing. QuickBooks Online uses tiered pricing. The lower tier plans are great if you're solo and just need basic tracking and invoicing. As you move up the ladder, you unlock things like bill management, time tracking, inventory, and more users. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. QuickBooks isn't trying to be the cheapest option out there. It's built to be powerful and flexible, especially for businesses that plan to scale. So if you're just getting started and you're watching every dollar, it might feel like a lot. But if you're a growing business that needs solid accounting tools, it's designed to grow with you. Now, if you want to know more about what to expect in terms of costs, our video, QuickBooks Online Pricing Explained, breaks down each tier. I've linked that in the description for you, so make sure to check it out. So with all of that in mind, who actually gets the most value here? QuickBooks Online is a great fit if you want full-featured accounting, not just basic invoicing, work with an accountant or bookkeeper, or plan to, need solid reporting and tax prep support, or expect your business to grow and get more complex over time. QuickBooks works especially well for service-based businesses, product-based companies, and growing teams that want one system to scale with them instead of switching platforms every year. That said, QuickBooks Online is not for everyone. If you're a freelancer who sends a few invoices each month, or you just want something simple with no learning curve, QuickBooks might feel like way more than you need. There are lighter, cheaper tools out there that focus on basic invoicing and expense tracking. And if you're on a tight budget, QuickBooks isn't the most cost-effective option, especially if you won't take advantage of all the tools it has to offer. The key is matching the tool to where your business is right now. So for some businesses, QuickBooks Online is a great investment. For others, another option may be worth exploring. So here's the bottom line. QuickBooks Online is powerful, flexible, and trusted by millions of businesses for a reason. It gives you real visibility into your finances, helps you stay organized, and scales with you as things get more complicated. But it's not about popularity, it's about fit. If you want deep accounting tools and long-term scalability, QuickBooks Online is one of the strongest options out there. If you want something ultra simple, look elsewhere. If you're not sure, QuickBooks offers a 30-day trial and a free test drive so you can check it out before committing. And once you're ready to get started, just click the link in our description to sign up. You can also check out our full QuickBooks Online review if you'd rather read more about the software to determine if it's a good fit. You can also find that linked in our description. And at the end of the day, the best accounting software isn't the one with the most features. It's the one you'll actually use. So choose accordingly. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. I'll catch you in the next video.